Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more. Let's start with what you can see here in front of you, simple interest. Simple interest is calculated on the original principle only, which means it does not compound. The formula given is A equals P multiplied by 1 plus I times N, where A is the final amount, P is the principal amount, R is the annual interest rate in percentage, N is the number of years, and I is the interest rate per period. It is calculated by dividing R by 100. What about compound interest? Compound interest, on the other hand, is calculated on the principal amount and also on the interest that has been added to the original amount over previous periods. Let's take a look at the formula. A equals P multiplied by 1 plus I to the power of N, where I is the interest rate per period, like in simple interest, and N is the number of compounding periods. Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.